Share sila na nag-stand out para sa ilang team sa subong season natin sa Interbarangay. So starting off with the Mythical 5 from Barangay San Rafael.
From Barangay San Rafael, Nash Cordova.
Nash Cordova.
Share our mythical
For the sincere recognition of active participation and valuable contribution during the Montreal Fiesta League 2025 with the team Rising Montreal Group Sports, signed by our Athlete Federation President of Montreal District, Honorable Trixie Angeli Lopez.
And of course, there, before kumalikatan, makabatin man sila galing sa medal. So, complete package good. Sir Mumpas Jr., thank you sa inyong support sa Montreal District.
Congratulations. Is
our next Mythical 5 is John Iron Padol, the small but explosive point guard of Barangay Navares.
An explosive point guard, Padol.
MDR Cup, panang isang cup natin, share. So, magagawin yung customized bits ng MDR.
well deserved na sa hapon nga Mythical 5 to receive this awards.
Our next Mythical 5 is Navares.
From Barangay Navares, Team Monfort. Congratulations.
May suot niya may bitaw. Tawag ko lang yung effort. All around. Assist. Rebound. Press. Grabe siya, grabe siya. Grabe siya.
Iba talaga skills. No? Kita mas na siya yung kain. Ngayon pa lang. Like it's a basketball player material. But of course, they not in man.
So imagine mo, share sa 17 ka teams. Sa 18 ka barangays. 5 sila ang nangibabaw. So they should be proud of them.
Is from Barangay Bacau.
I am not sure if I'm moving na sa iyang nickname. The sniper of Barangay Bacau. No lang, correct me if I'm wrong. Ang moving man na, Francis John Paskin. Siya di man.
Paskin.
Okay, siya di man, the sniper of Barangay Bacau. Huwag niya natira, tres niya natira, pero kita ko matawag inaabot. It is on our next, the Mythical 5 is from our champion once again, Barangay Bacau.
To complete our Mythical 5, we have Kenji Caro.
Kenji Caro. Mythical 5.
Well-deserved bids ang atang ng Mythical 5 makareceive some sets of awards nga muni. And of course, yan, nangyari, ganito rin na. So before kita galing mag-proceed, may naghahatag ko rin sa atong kanina sa perfume. May magagahog sa perfume. Signature perfume of Scotty Thompson, ang PBA player. Ginahatag niya siya ni Sir John Rubiles. Once again, sir, thank you so much sa NGR, headed by our CEO, Jose Romucas, ang Barangay Kagawad. Thank you sa inyong